How you doing? Steve Falk here from Prime Data. We're going to do an unboxing of this box of Cheerios, one of my favorite breakfast treats. Turns out that Canada Post is working with General Mills to do a really neat program. This little cutout here where it normally says Cheerios just says cheer, and it's a way to cheer on our Olympians in this year's Winter Olympics. So what I love about this is the fact that you get to send this in the mail. It's an analog hello. You're not tweeting hello. You're not being a Donald Trump. Did I say that guy's name? You are actually sending something that is physical to an athlete. And there's nothing more physical than being an athlete. I don't think so. I love the fact you get to send this out. There might even be a second card on the back. I'm not sure. I'm excited to find out. I found this the other day at my favorite grocery store. And we're going to cut it. And we're going to see what it's like. So here we go. Unboxing. I'm going to take the Cheerios out just to protect them. We're going to eat those later. We're going to look inside. Turns out there's 2 postcards there. We can just quickly cut them. I'm not going to make a shout out for any particular knife, but this Leatherman knife is an awesome knife if you're looking for a gift for somebody. I've had this one for years. It's got a little, look at that. In seconds you got yourself a Canada Post postcard, paid for by the post office, already written to the Olympic Village, Athletes Village. This thing's going to be delivered to your athlete, and you get a chance to write your own little message there. There's a second one on the back, so 2 of you get to do it. Ted, cameraman Ted, you get one of these too. It says j'aime or something like this. This would be the bilingual version, in case you didn't know what J and a heart was. J'aime. So you got a French one, you got an English one. I love this. I'm going to eat some cereal. We're going to have a nice hearty breakfast, and we're going to be able to say thank you to those athletes for giving us a great show. Cheers.